Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to create animations. First, open the animation page and click the New Animation button. Alright, once you're in, you'll see there are many types of animations available, such as voices story, video, music to video, drawings to video, comic to video, podcast to video, multi-shot to video. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to generate a video with animations. Since my account is already on the Pro plan, I can switch to the Video tab. Here, you can select the dimensions of the video, either 16:9 or 9:16. Once we switch to the Video tab, the media type will automatically change to AI videos. If we switch to AI images, the Video type tab will only support voice story. Simply put, voice story is a style similar to a slideshow like PowerPoint. Let me switch back to the video type and quickly select a video style. By default, I'll use the 3D render animation style. There's also an option for choosing the caption style under Caption style. The default is No Caption, which determines whether video subtitles will be hidden. If you want subtitles to appear, you'll need to choose a style like Education. The default video duration is 10 seconds. Since I'm just demonstrating this feature, I'll keep it at 10 seconds. Of course, if you have background music, the video duration should match the length of the music for better results in the final video. The default subtitle output language is English. Then, select a narration voice for the subtitles, such as Jessica's voice. After selecting the voice, confirm the video quality setting, which is set to Standard mode. This mode balances speed with quality. For this demonstration, I don't need to add background music, so I'll delete the background music by selecting No Background Music. Next, I'll write a simple script. I'll stick to my usual example. Jasper and Lily are walking in the street of Paris, keeping the story consistent. There's a key point here that's very important. If you want subtitles to appear in the video, you must select a caption style. Without choosing a caption style, the generated video won't include subtitles. Additionally, if you want background music, you must select one. And you can even upload your own music. Click the Generate button and wait for the video to be created. Typically, the wait time is around 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the complexity of the script and any additional settings, such as subtitles, characters, or background music. Next, there will be an intermediate confirmation phase, where you can review the script or storyboard descriptions for the video. You can make minor edits or directly move to the next step. Then, simply wait for the video to finish rendering. Finally, you'll see a smoothly rendered video with consistent characters and integrated subtitles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.